In this video, I'll show you how to connect Supabase to Bolt.new. First, open your web browser and sign into both your Bolt.new and Supabase accounts. If you haven't created a Supabase project yet, create one before continuing. Next, open your project in Bolt.new. Click the Supabase button or open the Integration section, depending on your version of Bolt.new. Then choose the option to connect a Supabase project. Now, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. If you're asked to sign into Supabase, choose your account and grant Bolt.new permission to access your projects. Once the authorization is complete, select the Supabase project you want to connect. After that, wait while Bolt.new links your project to Supabase. When the connection is finished, your app will be able to use Supabase services such as the database, authentication, storage, and other back-end features. Finally, test the connection by creating a simple feature that reads or writes data to your Supabase database. If everything works correctly, your Bolt.new app is successfully connected to Supabase and ready for development. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Supabase to Bolt.new. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.